Hey guys, welcome to the Christmas episode. I was supposed to film this in August, but as of right now, it is December, and yeah, it's close to Christmas, and if I don't film this soon, it'll probably come out on New Year's Day. I'm not kidding. Today, I'll be reviewing the HP computer that my school so kindly gave to me to use my college classes on. If you're wondering why I have to censor it right here, it's because it has my school's district on it, and I don't want to show it. I don't really care, but I just don't want people knowing where I go to school. I can say I don't really care, I just don't want you, whatever. And when I say I'm going to review it, I mean an honest review. So, let's get into it. So if you watched the video where I went to college as a high school freshman.
So you turn off your phone.
Yes.
Be present. Turn off your phone. Hey, you're not posting that on your YouTube channel, are you?
You know that this computer has caused me physical, emotional, and technological pain. From setup to user experience, the problems did not stop there. They kept going. Unfortunately. While setting up, there's some issue with the account setup. So naturally, I called the support number that was given to me on the bottom of the HP computer, and this is what the people at the district told me. But before I get into detail about what happened, I just want to start by saying that the directory for that office is terrible. It sent me back to the main menu twice. Why did I say twice like that? And they gave us a MacBook, or not MacBook, an HP computer, and I was trying to do the setup.
Question, are you by chance a student?
No. Yes.
Okay, so give me just a moment because I don't believe I can technically work with students. Usually you have to work with the school.
So basically, they said, good luck. I called my school counselor, and she told me that she would replace it when I got back to school on Monday. And that was a part of my crash out. So the next day it comes, and she swaps out the computer that I had for this one, which was a lot dirtier and a lot more disgusting, which it is technically right now. Except, when I brought that computer in, it had the label with my name on it, and unfortunately, she said that she'd give me another one. But sadly, the computer that I gave to her, she printed a label with my name on it, and I never got to retrieve it. She said that she'd make me another one. I'm still waiting to this day! Also, the reason why I'm making a review on this so quickly is because probably sometime this week I'm gonna have to give it back, so better late than never, I guess. Now that you know the backstory of how I acquired it, let's start off with how it works. Before we get started on how it works, I first want to say that this thing is stupidly big. Like, here's my MacBook, and like, here's this. Who really needs a computer this big? It's big for oh, I hate that sound. It's big for no reason. Or I don't know, maybe it's the fact that I like just like smaller tech products, like the iPhone I'm using is not a 17 Pro Max, it's a 17 Pro. This is a MacBook Air 13-inch, the smallest one, M2 chip, but yeah. But I'm going to compare that computer to this marvelous piece of machinery. And spoiler, this one, but you'll find out why. Alright, for the opening, I want you guys to get a good view. Feel the excitement die down. And let me just start off by talking about this keyboard. It's stupid. It's like a keyboard without the advantages of a keyboard. Also, why does it have this stupid number pad thing? It's so stupid. Like, I'm not, like, who asked for this? I'm not doing taxes. We're not shipping items from a warehouse. I'm just trying to write an essay. Like, alright, let's boot it on. I honestly hate how you have to click this button to boot it on. Otherwise, it will not boot on. I really want to take this off. I often contemplate what would happen if I just stole this computer. And then they wouldn't know where this was. Don't see my password. I don't know if I did it. No, I didn't do it right. Some computers you can't sign into your personal account on, but for some reason you can. Except if I go to YouTube, how do you even find the Wi-Fi on this thing? Okay, if I sign into my account, now if I sign into my, wait, if that's on there, then I'm pretty sure they changed it. Let me see. This is my favorite YouTuber. I watch him a lot. So, but if I go into one of his, his main channel and then go to videos, see, it'll say his most recent video was 3 years ago. But if I go on my phone, I mean, honestly, if you follow him, then you know what I mean when I say this. But yeah, 6 months ago. It was not 3 years ago. So I don't know what it's talking about. But I went on my teacher's computer and I made it so my YouTube channel is unblocked. Because some of the videos that were not set for kids, like see, like this one was the only one that popped up. Let me see if it works now. Oh, maybe not. I don't know why it's doing this, but I made it so maybe if I change my account. And that's another thing I hate about this computer. If you click on something, you're left clicking. Like I'm touching on this side, and I'm left clicking. Like I don't like that. But anyway, like I was saying, if you click on anything, you're, like on this side, if you click on the left side, you're left clicking. See? But if you click on the right side, it works. And I'm a right-handed person, so I depend on my right hand a lot. Actually, whatever you call it, where you can type with 2x ambidextrous, whatever, you can. But I can type. I can do stuff with 2 hands. But when I type and do stuff, like I can type with my hand. But when I search and do stuff, I use my left hand. And most of the time, I'm clicking right here. So HP. But guess how good the MacBook trackpad is. I'm clicking this end, right? Wow! It doesn't left click or right click, whatever it's called, because it's actually better. You didn't see anything. You didn't see that I was reading off of the script. But now let's talk about the battery life. Oh boy, the battery life. Because if I close the computer like this, then it's still on. Like I can just open it back up like that and it'll still be on. That's not a problem to me because my MacBook does the same thing. Like as you can see, I just open it up and it, see. But the thing is, my MacBook can last at least a week and it'll still be on 30%. But this, 5 hours. You know why? Because stupid lights like this still show up. There's a light on this side will show up even when it's charging. Like, see, it's on the charger right now because it can't hold a charge. So if I want to save this battery, I have to turn it all the way off, like that. I mean, is that just HP quality or what? But like I said, every day I have to charge it. Eventually, I just left it plugged in permanently. It's not like a laptop. It's not like a laptop anymore. It's a desktop that folds. They say that you should plug in your MacBook because that saves the battery. But if you know any better, you don't do that. You use the MacBook's battery. Or if you don't want to do that, just take out the battery and just use it like that. But yeah, you shouldn't do that with any other battery. Not even an iPhone battery because it can drain the battery. If I can get to it, see, cause like during the battery health, I have 61 cycles, but I have 100%. Yeah, and I honestly don't believe this because no, I feel like I'm on X more than anything. But I still wouldn't recommend keeping your MacBook plugged in while using. I mean, it's not a Mac Pro. And honestly, if you go to the App Store, even ask Tim Cook, even he would say you're not supposed to do that. So, should you buy this piece of junk for you to work on your college work with? No! I mean, honestly, this is an older HP computer. I don't know where they find these. The teachers use these too, and I feel bad for the teachers too. But I would not recommend getting this. Also, what is this? It comes down. What is this, like a fidget toy or something? What is it doing? What's the... What? Pretty decent percent. But like I said, moral of the story is, don't buy this trash. Buy this. Also, remember Remember the beginning of the video I said I had to return this soon? I'm honestly glad I have to return it. But since I want this video to run that time to be longer, I'm gonna take you with me. Remember in that part of the going to college as a high school freshman video, I was in the counselor's office? Let's just say that after that video posted, the whole thing that the principal got involved. The principal got involved, the principal saw it, the vice principal saw it, the zoo counselor saw it. They all heard me call my counselor a Taco Bell muncher. Yeah. But since I'm not going to the school anymore, which is going to be another video, also, since I'm not going to be in the school anymore, where I don't have to interface with her that much, I could say one more thing. One time I went into her office, she was eating Black Bear Diner. I could say so many things about this, but I'm not. Anyway, one of the other counselors, which I do not like, she does not like me, I can tell. I don't like her, and she ignores me every time I talk to her. She told me not. She always has this, like, weird stank attitude look towards me. I don't know why. She doesn't do it to anybody else. Last time I went to her office and I was recording, she told me not to record while they were in her office. So guess what I'm going to do. No, I'm not gonna vlog on my phone, because how suspicious would that be? No. You know, I changed to these for a reason, so if I could just turn them back on. But since I changed my glasses choice to these, I could just record. And I'm honestly surprised that my counselor didn't find out about this last time. Like, it's a blinking light. What else do you think it is? Oh, I hope he doesn't take this seriously, because I'm not. Okay, now I'm going to go turn in the HP computer and the charger. Hopefully she's there. There's lights on in her room, so that must be a good sign. I don't know, we'll see. She's in there. Hey, do you know she's in her room?
Oh, is she not in her office?
No.
We're going to be in a meeting. Let me see if she's in here.
Okay. Is she gonna come back? And you return this to her, so if she's in a meeting, I'll just come back. Come on. Come on, it's cold out here. Okay, so I'm just gonna take it that she's not in there. So I'm just gonna go back.
Hey, what's up?
Let's just all keep basic. Everyone's
Why is there a light on your glasses on?
I don't know.
It looks weird.
It doesn't. I don't know, it does sometimes. I think it's turning on.
What's up?
But I need to give my computer back.
Oh, your silver one?
Yeah.
HP?
Yeah.
Okay. Let's see. All right, you're good. I checked you in.
Okay, thank you.
Awesome. Have a good holiday break, sweetie.
You too.
And do you copy?
I watched.
But as you saw, I already returned the HP computer. So that's goodbye, HP computer. I hated you so much, but it was nice to use an HP computer for once. And so with that, thank you guys for watching. Comment, like, and subscribe. Merry Christmas! If there's any more updates after Christmas, I'll probably post it after Christmas. I probably have some stuff that I will be unboxing for YouTube videos soon. So I'll see you guys when I do that. And I think there's a main channel video out now, or sometime later after Christmas. So go watch that. It'll be in the description. If it's not out by that time, then I'll put it in check the pinned comment. And I'll see you guys later. Merry Christmas. Bye.